Just trying to report on that?
Yeah, that's it. Ask questions. They don't have to answer any questions. I mean, he admitted they have beatdown squads
We
here.
don't have any beatdown squads. I've never been in that. I was being sarcastic is what I was being.
Sarcastic.
I've done this many times in many prisons.
Right.
I've seen your videos on Facebook. There's
Right.
no beat-up squads. There's no beat-down squads.
Okay.
Every incarcerated individual here.
I don't think anybody believes that. I don't think even
I've been
you
doing this
believe that.
27 years.
27 years? You know, a cop once told me that, hey, I'm a tyrant. I've been doing this for 25 years. And then I looked at his body camera footage and he said that he would have killed me 20 years ago and removed my teeth. So I don't really trust you guys, really. The more you have on, the more time you have on the job, the less likely I am to believe you're not a tyrant. Honestly.
You from around here, Sean, or just traveling?
Yeah, I'm just from New York State. I'll say that. I'm from New York State.
Upstate or downstate? What are you giving that at least? I'm just wondering.
Yeah, I'm from downstate.
Okay.
You can say the downstate. It's not a big secret.
No, I'm from downstate.
Yeah, I'm from Long Island. It's not a big deal. It's not a secret. From Long Island.
Suffolk or Nassau?
Suffolk. Yep.
I grew up
Suffolk.
down there.
Oh yeah, what part?
North Shore.
North Shore?
Yeah.
That's where I am. Yeah,
Okay.
North Shore. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Do you spend the time up here now, or just kind of?
Yeah, this is my job. This is what I do. I ask questions to correctional officers about misconduct. I record law enforcement in the course of their duty on public property that's open to the public.
Yeah.
I know he wants you to arrest me for criminal trespassing, but criminal trespassing, if you read the statute, again, unfortunately, I've been arrested for criminal trespassing way more times than I would like. I would like 0. And every time we go to court, you guys seem to forget that there's language in the statute that says the property has to be designed in a manner to exclude intruders. It's not. I mean, if I was back there, maybe I would say that's designed in a manner to exclude intruders. But this is open to the public. The public street's over here. You have a sidewalk.
Well, you were inside.
Right. Well, that's open too.
Right.
That's open too. I didn't go through a locked door. Right.
Well, you were asked to leave.
That's open to the public. Well, where am I right now? There's nothing else to record in there.
Well, you were inside.
Open to the public.
Don't just act like you were just out here.
But it doesn't matter. It's still open to everything is open to the public. That's all I'm saying. That you got to read the statute. I want you guys to just read the statutes, become more educated on the law, so that way we don't have these confrontations. If I'm just out here recording, right, it's not a big deal. If I'm out here recording everything I can get from Google Earth, it's not a big deal.
Well, according to Albany, it is, or else we wouldn't be out there. So.
The same Albany that passed the law that gave me the right to do what I'm doing.
So if you're right, then what they're giving us is wrong. So.
Right. I think what they're giving you is wrong because every time this happens, I'm able to stay. And if I'm not, then we file lawsuits and that's it. And we take it up with, let a judge decide. I'm not here to, call you names or anything. I'm really not.
No, be pretty respectful.
Yeah, I'm not anti-law enforcement. I'm not anti-correctional officer. I'm pro accountability and transparency in my government that I help fund. That's all.
You just come up.
You guys got a beautiful view here. Yeah, no, I'm just in the area.
Okay.
Again, I travel the country, not just New York State. I travel
really?
the country. I've been to Hawaii, California.
there, just-
Yeah, correctional facilities, city halls,
Yeah.
wherever the government is, I'm there asking questions and exercising my rights. A lot of people don't like people recording, but it's not my fault. I'm not doing anything wrong. At least according to my attorney and my knowledge of the law,